Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good and fine. I am just back from my work right now and I am really exhausted that I want to hit the sack so much. Well, this is my self-care routine that I would like to do it once in a while. Well, I feel that men's grooming is also as equally as important as women's grooming. So I am bringing out to you guys what I personally use and do for my self-care routine. So after washing my face and completely making it dry, I use this Pilgrim exfoliator, which exfoliates your dead skin cells to the core of your skin. Well, it contains 25% AHA, 2% BHA, and 5% PHA, which helps in healing process. You just need to take out a desired quantity, drop, and splash it all over your face. And you need to focus mainly on your nose areas where your almost all the dead skin cells builds up. Once you're done, you need to let it be on your skin for up to 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, because it is a peeling solution, so it may cause irritation to your skin. So after that, you need to wash your face and pat it dry. One quick reminder, you need to use this peeling solution only at night, and before exposing yourself to the sun, you need to make sure to apply some of the good sunscreens with SPF more than 40 or 50, because that's gonna protect your skin. Well, over here I'm using the sunscreens of Popular Pharmacy with SPF 40 and PA+++, which protects your skin from the harmful UV rays and UVB rays. You need to apply the sunscreen all over your face thoroughly without leaving a single mark on it. Once you're done, you're ready to go and start your day. Trust me, you're gonna look and feel amazing. कभी कभी थोड़ा सा प्यार खुद से भी कर लेना चाहिए. So guys, that was all for today. तो मिलते हैं आपके साथ अगले वीडियो में. Till then, like it, share it and subscribe. Bye bye. Love you all of you so much.